Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the Make Money Challenge. So if you go through my entire course on windowcleaningdude.com, learn everything I have to teach you, follow my procedures and my patterns, learn all the techniques, watch all the videos on how to do window cleaning, and start your business, then I want to encourage you to take the window cleaning challenge, which is to go out and make your first dollar window cleaning. And the way to do that is to first read all the content on windowcleaningdude.com, watch all the videos on my website and here on my YouTube channel, learn everything about what I teach for how to use all the different tools, and then how to actually do window cleaning, and then follow my step-by-step guide, and then go and practice on friend and family's windows, and then take all that knowledge and go and, of course, don't forget to go and buy the professional grade equipment. That's going to make a big difference. So take all that, the knowledge, the equipment, and then go and do the challenge, the window cleaning challenge, which is to go out there and make your first dollar in window cleaning. So I encourage you to start off by going door to door, knocking residential. That's where the most money is going to be made the fastest. You can go knock door to door storefront, and of course you're not going to really go knock door to door commercial, which if you've watched all the videos and read the content, you'll understand why that is. But to start with residential is my recommendation. If you can clean a 2-story, that would be perfect. If you can't, then you're going to have to start with a single level residential and go out there and knock doors and start landing your first window cleaning job, and then make money, and then come back to this YouTube video and report down below in the comment section how your first job went, so that other window cleaners can, or other prospective window cleaners, people who want to start window cleaning or who are also starting their window cleaning business, can kind of see how your experience went. That would be really awesome, and I think that would be really helpful for all of you who are starting a window cleaning business to see, yeah, you know, I did go out there, I did knock doors, I watched the videos, I learned the content, I bought the professional grade equipment, and it worked. You know, that would be awesome. I'd love to see that, and I know everybody else would love to see that as well. So take the challenge, go do that, tell us about your experience, tell us how much money you were able to make on your first job, tell us any the good and the bad, right? Tell us what good things happened, tell us what challenges you had, and let's see what happens. That would be really awesome to just see what experiences you guys are having starting your window cleaning business. So go make your first dollar, and you know, let's see what that was like. You know, talk to us in the comment section about how you felt when you made your first dollar. I know when I made my first dollar, I was blown away because it was my first time window cleaning. It was actually my very first day with no experience, and I went out with my friend, my mentor. He showed me the ropes, and he made money, and I made 90 bucks, which wasn't a lot of money, right? Like most people are like, 90 bucks. But you have to keep in mind that my friend made most of the money because he really did the majority of the work, and I didn't do as much because I was inexperienced, but I still made $90. I was really excited for that because $90 was the most money I'd ever made in one day from any job. So I was like, wow, 90 bucks, and we only worked like 3 hours? This is awesome. You know, imagine if I worked 8 hours, how much money would I make? So I was super excited for that, and making that first bit of money just really kind of pushes you over the edge and be like, I could do this every day. You know, I could go out there every day and make 90 bucks for 3 hours. You know, that's $30 an hour. You know, how many people are making $30 an hour without some kind of degree? You know, if you're working like a fast food job or some other job, you're not making $30 an hour. So I was super excited for that. But when you go out with your first job, you're gonna make more than that because you're not bringing me along to like split the profit. So you could go out there and make $240 your first day cleaning just one job. That would be super exciting, and that would have been totally exciting if I did that my first day. Just gone out there and made $240 for one job. I would have been like telling everybody I knew about it. Of course, it's probably the last thing you want to do because then everybody else is going to jump on the bandwagon in your town, but you don't want that competition when you're first starting out. Once you become established, it won't matter. But yeah, that's a super exciting thing. So go out there and make your first dollar and report back here to this channel and to this particular video, and leave a comment down below of your experience. Alright, so that's the Make Money Challenge. It's really short and simple. Go out there, make your first dollar, report back, and like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. help YouTube know that you value this content by subscribing, and ring the notification bell for future videos, and leave your comment down below on how well you did on your first window cleaning job and how much money you made and any of the challenges you had and the plus sides. And of course, if you got any tips or free food, I'd be interested in hearing like what kind of experience you had, and of course anything cool that you experienced, anything cool that you saw. That would be great. All right, see you in the next episode.